In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your LinkedIn account from Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to declutter your app or simply want to maintain your privacy across platforms, this guide will walk you through every necessary step. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to open Microsoft Teams. You can do this by launching the desktop app or simply visiting teams.microsoft.com from your web browser. Once you're there, make sure to sign in using your Microsoft 365 account credentials. This ensures that you have access to all the necessary features required for this process. Next, head over to the settings. In the top right corner of your Teams window, you'll notice your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it to open a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings. This will open a new window where you'll have access to various configurations and preferences related to your team's experience. Now, let's manage the privacy settings. On the left side of the settings window, there's a menu with different sections. Click on Privacy to proceed. This is where you'll find the LinkedIn integration settings amongst other privacy controls. It's important to explore this section if you're conscious about how your information is shared between Microsoft Teams and LinkedIn. Moving on, let's disconnect your LinkedIn account. Within the privacy section, you should spot the LinkedIn integration area. Here, look for options like Edit or Manage LinkedIn account. Click on that, and you'll be presented with choices such as Sign out from LinkedIn or Disconnect account. Choose one of those options. You will likely be prompted to confirm your decision, so be sure to click Confirm to finalize the disconnection. Finally, let's verify that your LinkedIn account has been successfully removed. One way to confirm this is to check that the LinkedIn tab no longer appears in people's profile cards within Teams. Additionally, your LinkedIn profile should no longer be connected or visible inside the Teams environment. And there you have it. You've successfully removed your LinkedIn account from Microsoft Teams, keeping your professional networks distinct and organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to share it with friends or colleagues who might benefit from keeping their digital spaces uncluttered. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful how-tos. Until next time, take care and stay connected only where you want to be.